So today we're fired up the Wise Guys Yoder smokers. So we're running it at 300 degrees. We take our chicken. I like to go to the top rack, and we let that go for I'd say 30 minutes at least. We'll come and check it. What I want to see is it like nice and nice color. That's basically what we're after here. Is we're looking for that nice color on the top. So we'll come back in 30 minutes and see how we're doing. All right. So we have an additional 10 minutes here on the chicken, and that's looking much better. I can see now that it's getting a little mahogany color right here. I see the juices from the fat rendering out the top. So we're gonna call that our step one in the cook. So what we do is we take them right off of that, put them in this tray, close our lid, scoot that over. What we have here is we have some Kerrygold unsalted butter, because again, remember, it's chicken is a delicate meat, so we don't want to oversalt. So what I do is I just cut pats, and we'll go around, and I like to put them on the outside, just like that. Get that in there. I take my temperature probe using ThermalWorks signals, and I just find a nice piece and kind of right in there like that. Okay. And seal it up with some foil. All right. So just so you know, for reference, thermometer's reading 114. I'm going to put it right back up on top. And I have my sensor alarm to go off at 202. So 202, yes, chicken is done at 165, but with chicken thighs, you can run them all the way up to 200. In fact, I like them 200. You'll see how juicy it is later. But we run at 202 and let them rest for a little bit, and they'll climb up to 205. Over 205, you run the risk of drying it out. That's my personal opinion. But that's what we shoot for, 202. All right. So I'm going to say with the outside temperature and starting at 114, we're looking at about 45 minutes to an hour. All right, so we'll check back, and we're going to go inside and start working on some sauce.